Today's my first time making Wurzelbrot, and this is a German bread. 575 grams of flour. We're gonna add some water, 350 grams of warm water. We're gonna do olive oil, salt, and then fresh yeast. Now, you don't have to do fresh yeast, you can do dry yeast. I'll write the exact measurements below. We're just gonna add that. Okay, so the dough has finished kneading. I took it out of my bowl and now I put it into a container just like that. I'm just gonna cover it now. And then for the next 24 hours, we're going to do just 8 folds and I will show you how to do them.
After I eat my apples, can I?
Okay, and now we're just gonna bake it for 25 minutes and then we're gonna uncover the lid and then bake it another 5 minutes. Okay. Last. Alright, here is my Wurzelbrot. Some of the cheese went out, it is so hot.